The Conquests of Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great, king of ancient Macedonia, built an empire that stretched from Greece to India. Years of fighting had weakened the Greek city-states. Macedonia, a kingdom in northern Greece, conquered the entire region. Then Alexander turned to the east and conquered the Persian Empire. When Alexander died, his generals divided his empire into separate kingdoms. Alexander's conquests led to the mixing of Greek culture with the cultures of conquered lands. Picture A. Alexander's conquests spread Greek society across Western Asia. This Greek-style relief of him was found in Sidon, a major Phoenician city in Lebanon. Map B. Alexander's vast empire included land on Europe, Africa, and Asia. Compare it to the size of the United States. So here is in green where Alexander's vast empire was through Africa, Europe, and Asia, and then in purple outline is what the United States would be if it was put there. How do you show your culture? Culture is what makes a group of people unique or different from other groups. The religion we follow, the language we speak, even what we eat or drink can all be a part of our culture. And here is the map of Alexander conquering Persia, and use the map key to look at this map closely.